So now we are discussing vector or cross product. Vector or cross product of two vectors denoted by a vector cross b vector equals to ab sin theta n cap. What is n cap? N cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing a vector and b vector. Okay. So suppose this is xy plane. Okay. So the direction of unit vector will be in z direction. Okay, and that is the direction of the product, that is vector product or cross product of these two vectors. Okay, and we can get it by right hand thumb rule. If the fingers of right hand can be curled from a to b, that is a cross b, from a to b, then thumb will point the direction of the cross product of these two vectors. Okay, this is the right hand thumb rule. A cross b means from a to b. Okay, this is the small angle between vector a and b. Okay, now a vector cross b vector equals to minus b vector cross a vector because it is anti-commutative. But in case of dot product, we saw that is commutative. Why? Here it is anti-commutative because a cross b means from a to b direction. So, and b cross a means from b to a. So direction has changed. So this is minus. Okay, because we mention always direction in cross product or vector product. Okay. So magnitude will be same. This is the magnitude of a vector cross b vector equals to magnitude of b vector cross a vector. So magnitude will be same because here is no direction. Now cross product of two vectors is distributive. That means a vector cross within bracket b vector plus c vector equals to a vector cross b vector plus a vector cross c vector, just like dot product. Okay, it is similar to dot product. Now I cross I equals to j cross j equals to k cross k equals to 0. Okay, that is all unit vector, I cap, j cap and k cap. So they are parallel vectors. Okay, I cap cross I cap equals to 0, j cap cross j cap, k cap cross k cap, all will be 0 because the angle between them is 0 and we know that sine 0 equals to 0. So they are parallel vectors. So their cross product will be 0. Now I cap cross j cap equals to k cap. So this is the rule, that is from I to j this is k, from j to k this is I. Okay, so this is the way, this is plus. Okay, I cross j equals to k, j cross k equals to I and k cross I equals to j. Okay, this direction always give positive result, but if the direction is opposite then it will give negative. Okay, minus. Okay, so I cross j equals to minus j cross I because direction has changed. So this is minus equals to k cap, this is I cap cross j cap, that is equals to k cap. Okay, this reaction will give always plus. This is clockwise reaction. Okay, now a vector equals to this, b vector equals to this. Now a vector cross b vector. Okay, so through the determinant we can do it easily. So what will be the rule? So this is the unit vectors and this is their magnitudes. Okay, of two vectors. Okay, now firstly what is the rule? Firstly, this is I cap, this is the unit vector I cap, and this column will be off. Okay, now within bracket we will be always multiply from left to right, that is b1 c2 minus C1 B2. Okay, firstly left to right and then right to left, and within bracket this will be always minus, this will be always minus. Okay, and this sign will be changed, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, but within bracket always will be negative sign, and starting always will be from left to right. Okay, in case of J cap, so this is minus within bracket, so this column will be off. Now from left to right, A1 C2. Okay, always minus, and then right to left, C1 A2. Okay, this way we can calculate this. Okay, now if A vector and B vector are parallel vectors, then this is two vectors. Okay, A vector this, B vector this, then A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2 equals to K. This is the constant. Okay, and this is positive if they are parallel. If they are anti-parallel, then K will be negative. Okay, thank you.